Hello YouTubers, this is my homemade hill lawn mower. What I've used is only scrap metal. You can see it's rebar. It's an old lawn mower. Yeah, some pipes here, and the mower can go freely. I've also attached a winch. I got this from a neighbor with a battery, and all of this is attached to another homemade winch of the tractor. I will do a video later about that, but this I can operate from inside the tractor with this remote, and it functions like this. You can I think you can adjust the length of the rebar for what you need. This is enough for me, and I do hill cutting very well. I'll do a video about that when I have to mow. Thank you.